चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं। इस सीरीज का ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ईयर वाज द राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट पास्ड इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए 2002, 2005, 2008 and 2010. Correct answer is option B 2005. Next, which Indian state is the leading producer of tea? Option Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Correct answer is option A Assam. Next, the Chipko movement was primarily aimed at protecting water resources, preserving forests, resisting industrialization, and supporting education. Correct answer is option B preserving forests. Next, which planet is known as the red planet? Option is Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Correct answer is option B Mars. Next, the famous Gateway of India is located in option New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Correct answer is option B Mumbai. Next, the Indian state known for sandalwood production is option is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option B Karnataka. Next, which amendment act of the Indian Constitution granted a special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Option is 370, 7, 42 and 44. Correct answer is option A 370. Next, who was the leader of the Indigo Rebellion in Bengal? Option is Gandhiji, Rani Lakshmibai, Digambar Biswas and Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is option C Digambar Biswas. Next, the famous book Arthashastra was written by A. Chanakya, B. Kalidas, C. Aryabhatta and D. Ashoka. Correct answer is option A Chanakya. Next, which ocean is the largest in the world? Option A Indian Ocean, B Atlantic Ocean, C Arctic Ocean and D Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is option D Pacific Ocean. Next, which of the following is the oldest Ved? Option A Rig Ved, B Samved, C Yajurved and D Atharved. Next, correct answer is option A Rig Ved. Next, who was the first woman president of India? Option A Sarojini Naidu, B Indira Gandhi, C Pratibha Patil and D Sushma Swaraj. Correct answer is option C Pratibha Patil. Next, the term biosphere refers to only land and areas, the area with living organisms, the ocean layer, the atmosphere. Correct answer is option B the area with living organisms. Next, the preamble of the Indian Constitution, it starts with We the people of India, India that is Bharat, in the name of God, united we stand. Correct answer is We the people of India. Next, which is the highest peak in the world? Option A Mount Everest, B K2, C Kanchenjunga, D Lhotse. Correct answer is option A Mount Everest. Next, in which year did the revolt of 1857 take place? Option A 1857, B 1875, C 1885 and D 1905. Correct answer is option A 1857. Next, which of the following is not a fundamental right in India? Option A right to equality, right to freedom, C right to property and D right to constitutional remedies. Correct answer is option C right to property. Next, the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option A 5, B 7, C 8 and D 9. Correct answer is option D 9. Next, who wrote the national anthem of India Jana Gana Mana? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Subramania Bharati, and D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Next, which river is the longest in India? Option A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Brahmaputra, and D. Godavari. Correct answer is option B. Ganga. Next, the Indian National Congress was formed in which year? Option A. 1885, B. 1905, C. 1919, and D. 1947. Correct answer is option A. 1885. Next, who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Option A. Lord Mountbatten, B. Rajgopalachari, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option A. Lord Mountbatten. Next, the Election Commission of India is a constitutional body, legislative body, executive body, and judicial body. Correct answer is option A. Constitutional body. Next, which article in the Indian Constitution deals with the right to freedom of religion? Answer A. Article 14, B. Article 19, C. Article 25, and D. Article 32. Correct answer is option C. Article 25. Next, the term for a panchayat member is option A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, and D. 6 years. Correct answer is option C. 5 years. Next, the President of India has the power to declare option A. War, B. Emergency, C. Election dates, and D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. Emergency. Next, who is the head of Union Executive? Option A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Vice President, and D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Correct answer is option B. President. Next, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is appointed by option A. Parliament, option B. Prime Minister, option C. President, and option D. Vice President. Correct answer is option C. President. Next, the municipal corporation is responsible for which of the following? Option A. Village administration, B. City administration, C. Union territory administration, and D. State administration. Correct answer is option B. City administration. Next, the right to vote in India is a fundamental right, constitutional right, legal right, and directive principle. Correct answer is option B. Constitutional right. Next, which of the following is not a union territory of India? Option A. Ladakh, B. Sikkim, C. Puducherry, and D. Chandigarh. Correct answer is option B. Sikkim. Next, the currency used in Japan is called the dollar, yen, pound, euro. Correct answer is option B. Yen. Next, which of the following is an example of a direct tax? Option A. Sales tax, B. Income tax, C. GST, and D. Excise tax. Correct answer is option B. Income tax. Next, which organization is known as the Central Bank of India? Option A. SBI, B. RBI, C. ICICI, D. Axis Bank. Correct answer is option B. RBI. Next, the term recession means option A. An increase in economic activity, B. A slowdown in economic activity, C. Growth in GDP, and D. An increase in jobs. Correct answer is option B. A slowdown in economic activity. Next, which economic sector includes farming and fishing? Option A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Tertiary, and D. Quaternary. Correct answer is option A. Primary. Next, a price selling results in, यहाँ सेलिंग का स्पेलिंग गलत दिखा हुआ है. ऑप्शन ए सरप्लस ऑफ गुड्स, बी शॉर्टेज ऑफ गुड्स, सी इंक्रीज इन डिमांड, एंड डी डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी शॉर्टेज ऑफ गुड्स. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम PDS? Option A. To control inflation, B. To provide food to the poor, and D. Increase exports. D. To improve agriculture technology. Correct answer is option 2. provide food to the poor. Next, which sector is known as the backbone of the Indian economy? Option A, secondary sector, B, tertiary sector, C, agricultural sector, and D, quaternary sector. Correct answer is option C, agricultural sector. Next, who decides the rate of interest on saving in India? Option A, banks, B, government, C, RBI, and D, World Bank. Correct answer is option C, RBI. Next, the Coriolis effect is responsible for option A, ocean currents, B, earthquakes, C, the rotation of earth, and D, the tilt of the earth's axis. Correct answer is option A, ocean currents. Next, which mountain is known as the roof of the world? Option A, Mount Everest, B, Kilimanjaro, C, Pamir Mountains, and D, Alps. Correct answer is option C, Pamir Mountains. Next, which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Option A, Mercury, B, Mars, C, Venus, and D, Saturn. Correct answer is option C, Venus. Next, which river is the largest by discharge volume in the world? Option A, Nile, B, Ganges, C, Amazon, and D, Yangtze. Correct answer is option C, Amazon. Next, a person who studies weather patterns is known as a biologist, meteorologist, geologist, physicist. Correct answer is option B, meteorologist. Next, which country has the most significant number of active volcanoes? Option A, Japan, B, Indonesia, C, Philippines, and D, USA. Correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Next, the equator passes through how many continents? Option A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. Correct answer is option C, 3. Next, which layer of the earth contains the tectonic plates? Option A, crust, B, mantle, C, outer core, and D, inner core. Correct answer is option A, crust. Next, what is the smallest continent in the world? Option A, Europe, option B, Asia, option C, Antarctica, and option D, Australia. Correct answer is option D, Australia. Next, who composed the national song Vande Mataram? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore, B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and C, Subramania Bharati, and D, Iqbal. Correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next,